Hello, I'm Amy Garner, your employee benefits broker for CoLinx. We are pleased to present you today with an overview of your employee benefits package. Please join me in walking through your benefits guide. Let's first begin with your medical benefits. CoLinx offers a PPO plan through Blue Cross Blue Shield of South Carolina. This means you can use any Blue Cross Blue Shield provider nationwide and even some abroad. Your medical plan has a calendar year deductible, coinsurance, and maximum out-of-pocket, meaning this starts over on January 1st and runs through December 31st. Your deductible and coinsurance primarily applies to inpatient and outpatient hospital services and ambulance. You have copays that apply to physician office visits and prescription drugs that are not subject to a deductible or coinsurance when received in-network. You also have a medical flexible spending account, which is a benefit program that allows you to use pre-tax dollars to pay for eligible healthcare expenses such as medical copayments, deductible, coinsurance, medical supplies, hearing expenses, dental and vision out-of-pocket expenses, just to name a few. Pre-tax elections may be used for anything that the IRS considers a 213D expense. Your FSA runs on your plan year starting May 1st through April 30th, so this is different from the calendar year in which all your other benefits follow. Just keep this in mind when you are estimating your expenses for the upcoming year so that you calculate the correct amount to be deducted from your paycheck. Please see your benefits guide for annual maximum contributions and allowed rollover of unused dollars. Additionally, you have a dependent care FSA that allows you to also set aside pre-tax money into an account to be reimbursed for eligible dependent child care expenses, such as preschools, before and after school care, and day camps. Please see the benefit guide for more details on the annual max limits. This also runs on a plan year, May 1st through April 30th. Next, we have your ancillary benefits, which include the following: employer-paid basic life and accidental death and dismemberment. You will be covered for 2 times your salary up to a max of $350,000 in term life insurance after your new hire waiting period at no cost to you. There is also an option for you to purchase voluntary term life and AD&D for you, your spouse, and your children that you can take with you if you leave the company. Terms and rules apply, so please refer to your benefit summary. New hires can elect coverage up to the guarantee issue amount, meaning no health questions will be asked up to that amount and you cannot be turned down due to pre-existing health conditions. For all other eligible employees during annual open enrollments, the employee can bump up an extra $10,000 if already enrolled and below the guarantee issue amount without being turned down. So it's important to elect this coverage when first offered as a new hire if you need additional life insurance. During annual open enrollments, you and your dependents can still enroll in the voluntary term life, but you will have to submit EOI, evidence of insurability, and coverage can be declined. You can elect the voluntary AD&D without evidence of insurability since this benefit only pays out due to accidental death and dismemberment and is not health-related. Next is the employer-paid dental and vision benefits with an option for you to buy up to a more enhanced plan. This enhanced plan does offer orthodontia with a $2,000 max benefit per child. This is not included in the base plan. The base vision plan includes a free eye exam and also offers discounts on lenses, frames, or contacts, while the buy-up plan covers those benefits with low copays when you use a preferred provider. Short-term and long-term disability are available to you on a voluntary basis. CoLinx shares in the cost of your short-term disability plan, and you have the benefit of discounted group rates on your long-term disability. Disability benefits protect your income if you are not able to work due to accident or sickness, including maternity. Please see Benefit Summary for explanation of benefits explaining pre-ex, elimination periods, durations, and percent of income replaced. We would also like to present you with voluntary worksite benefits, which allow you the convenience of payroll-deducted premiums for policies that put extra money in your pocket at CoLinx's group discounted rates. These benefits pay cash directly to you to spend how you like. You can purchase these policies to cover you, your spouse, and/or children. Note, the employee must be covered for dependents to be covered. First, we have voluntary accident insurance. This pays you cash based on a schedule for covered injuries due to an accident. There are no health questions or limitations for pre-existing conditions. Accidents, especially falls, are the leading cause of injury treated in emergency rooms every year for people of all ages. Next, we have voluntary critical illness insurance. This pays you a lump sum of cash based on the benefit amount you elect when you or a person on your plan is diagnosed with a covered condition like cancer, heart attack, or stroke. These illnesses usually lead to unexpected costs not covered by your health plan, like deductibles, copays, childcare, and travel that can reduce your savings. Again, this benefit is paid directly to you and you can use however you like. There is also a wellness benefit that gives you and your covered dependents cash back one time each year if you provide proof of an eligible health screening. Next, we have voluntary hospital indemnity insurance. Like the other two, this policy pays you directly in addition to any other coverage you may already have. Benefits are payable for hospital stays due to sickness, accidents, routine pregnancy, complications of pregnancy, mental health, and substance abuse. There is a first day hospital benefit lump sum, as well as benefits for additional days in the hospital, ICU, rehabilitation unit, and newborn nursery confinement. Pregnancy is included with no waiting period, so if pregnant already, you would be able to receive these benefits. Also, there is a wellness benefit on this policy, so any covered person will be able to receive cash back once per person per year for getting an eligible health screening. Preventative dental or vision checkups do count as eligible screenings. For more information on these benefits, there is a QR code in your benefit guide that you can scan with your mobile camera and be directed to a Benefit Explorer portal. Our last voluntary benefit is a prepaid legal plan. This benefit will help you pay your attorney's fees for all covered legal matters. This plan covers you, your spouse, and your dependent children up to age 26. Please see the benefit summary for further details. Lastly, we would also like to remind you of your EAP, Employee Assistance Program. This is an employer-paid program that gives you access to master's level specialists that can assist you when circumstances arise in your life that you may need to talk with someone. This counseling is confidential and they offer face-to-face, virtual, and telephone options. Refer to your benefit guide with the website, 800 number, and access code. I hope you found this video helpful. I, along with your HR team, are available to assist you or answer any questions. Please note, for new hires who elect these benefits, your coverage will go into effect on the first of the month following 60 days of hire. For annual open enrollments, this is the time you can add or drop coverages without a life event. Voluntary life is subject to EOI if adding or increasing above the $10,000 and under the guarantee issue amount. Your benefit guide provides you with step-by-step instructions on how to log into the enrollment system as displayed here. During the open enrollment timeframe, when logging in the system, your current elections will display and you can walk through your open enrollment benefit options. I would like to personally thank you for your time, and CoLinx would like to thank you for your dedicated service. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or your HR team.